All right, traders, to watch this video here for Tuesday, May 5th. Showing you the SPY. Gap down today, bounced right off the 20-day in a fairly strong close. If you go to 5-minute candles, I don't know, if you've been trading any length of time, you can tell that, it gapped down, popped, broke through the highs, but then went sideways for, I don't know, 5 hours, and then a slow climb into the close. So, point being, if you're an intraday trader, I don't know how to word it. What are the words I'm looking for? Anyway, I don't know how to put it into words, but it was not the best trading day. There's not a lot to go on. I mean, I got a new green dot, which is a new high for the year in my account, but it's nothing to be proud of. It was a slow day. A few stocks moved, but nothing for me was just clean that I fell in love with. All right, so anyway, what are we watching for tomorrow? THMO. I actually did call this one in chat today over, I think, 1175, and it went to 1221. I don't really think it looked back, but look at that. If you, that will sum up how dead today was. If you've been trading any length of time and you've traded THMO, this thing went from, I don't know, 7 to 14 plus on, let's see, that would have been Thursday. Then Friday, a quiet inside day, and then today, this long base break. Normally, THMO, just the fact that it went from 1175, it went up like, I don't know, 15 cents an hour. That summarizes the day right there, because THMO usually either rips or tanks, but it usually moves. And even that thing was just a very, very slow grind. I mean, that kind of sums up today for me. Anyway, it's really far from the moving averages, but I still want to watch it, right? It's very, very strong stock. I typed that wrong. CAPR. Not in love with this one. Had this big pop, then an inside day, and then kind of a crazy day, and then today kind of a quiet day again. 5-minute candles. Show you it had an initial pop, and then just bled lower all day. Really almost just sideways all day. So the only reason this is on watch is because it's a recent high flyer. I don't see a pattern here after today, but that doesn't mean it won't give a nice setup tomorrow. RVP, massive day here, and a strong close. Went out at 495, went out right at the highs. And after hours right now, it's trading at 469. Big volume in this one. Certainly want to watch it tomorrow. I don't like trading extended things, but sometimes if you followed me at all, you get a big move like that. Then the next day you get an A+ setup and you get another nice move. So it doesn't cost me anything to have it on a chart. MVIS. Whoops. Let me pan out a little bit here. All right, so a big volume day today. And after hours, it's trading at $1.35. So a lot of times you get a strong close in a low price stock. A lot of times they'll also run in after hours. I don't know. We'll look for a follow through day tomorrow on that one. APT. I don't love this chart. Zoom in a little bit now, but it's had a couple pockets of strength lately, and I'll go to like 15-minute candles so you can probably see it here. Pan out a little bit. This was a really nice move right here. Had a couple moves back here, and then today had a nice one as well. But the daily chart isn't really near breakout or anything. Having said that, it's holding support. So we'll see if we get a follow through. That's a mask maker, by the way, for COVID-19. So I'm going to keep it on watch. CODX. It's already up 2 days in a row, up near recent highs. So I don't really like this one. But at the same time, a couple days ago, this was really rolling over. Next thing you know, it's right back up near recent highs. So with a proper setup, we might get a little short covering squeeze there. VXRT. I had this on bounce watch, and I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it. Really nice move back here. Now you're, I think, 5 days in a row down. Still holding the 20-day. No trades in it today, but it goes back on bounce watch tomorrow. NNVC, kind of a former high flyer back here during the COVID heyday. And then, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, it made a nice move from 539 to 803. It's really been going sideways on no volume ever since. And then today starting to perk up again. So I am going to put that one on watch. FLDM. I really like the looks of this chart. You can't see it on this chart, but the 200 days around 418. So Friday's high was 439. Today's high, 410. So you can picture the 200-day kind of right between these two highs. Anyway, we have what we call stacked catalysts. We got a break of today's high would be over 410. And then you have Friday's high, 439, not far above. Really nice volume the last couple days. I like the inside day. I like maybe a push through 4 tomorrow, knowing that 410 could be a catalyst and 440 could be a catalyst. So probably my favorite chart coming into tomorrow, but it doesn't mean it's going to give any kind of a setup. IFRX, zoom in a little. Yeah, let me zoom in. So you had this big pop here, and you've just got a couple days lower. So you kind of have a little flag forming. You see it better on 15-minute candles after the big pop. So there it is, and then you're kind of flagging. So I don't really have a, hey, here's a great price that I want to get in. Back to the daily there. But it's holding up really well. So we're going to keep our eyes on that one. A couple more. HLX, which I think is a baby oil play, had this big pop. Well, had a pop, not a big pop back here. Then a couple days lower, and now today found support at the 20-day and closed green. If oil gets a move, I like the looks of this chart higher. And then lastly, PYX. Really nice volume today, pretty strong close. The high today, 392. We go back to kind of late March. It also, let's see, it hit 398. So, maybe over today's high, over 392, maybe this pushes through 4 and breaks out. I do like the volume today. That's it. I'm not in love with this list, but I'm hoping that the Monday doldrums are over and we catch some good trades tomorrow. We'll find some gappers in the morning too. And all I need is 1 or 2 good setups on a given day, and I can get my daily goal. So, let me emphasize, just be patient. Make sure your setups are A+, and don't trade unless they are, right? It's easy to nickel and dime yourself to death in a sideways, choppy, slow market, but that doesn't mean it's going to be that way all week. So we'll be there tomorrow and chat, and we'll see everybody in the morning.